Hi everyone, I'm Rachel from Ellii, and this is a video on how to use the Immersive Reader tool. The Immersive Reader was created by Microsoft to help learners of all ages increase their fluency and build confidence in their language learning abilities. The tool also promotes accessibility for those with learning differences. So without further ado, let's get started. You can find our Immersive Reader tool in any of our reading tasks. Choose your lesson category, click your lesson, and click Launch Tasks. Look out for a task called Read and Listen to see if the Immersive Reader tool is included in this lesson. Once you're ready, click Start. In the bottom right corner, right next to the audio, is the Immersive Reader button. It looks like an open book. Click this button to begin using the tool. Once the Immersive Reader loads, use the green button at the bottom to begin listening to the audio.
Bullies don't know when to stop.
Use the same button to pause the audio. You are also able to click a word to hear individual audio for that specific word.
Bullies.
If at any point you'd like to change where the audio begins, click that word and click the play button to start there.
They repeatedly torment their victims physically or mentally.
Right next to the play button is the voice settings button. Use this to control the speed of the audio and choose the voice you prefer to hear. In the top right corner, there are options to change your text preferences, your grammar options, and your reading preferences. Clicking Text Preferences allows you to change your text size by moving the slider. You can also change the font and the theme as well. Clicking Grammar Options allows you to highlight the parts of speech by color. You can choose the color on the left and toggle what you want on the right. From the same grammar options, you can also turn on the Syllables feature to further help your learners. In Reading Preferences, you'll find the Line Focus feature, the Picture Dictionary, and a Translate option. Use Line Focus to decide whether you'd like to read line by line, or if you prefer to read by groups of lines. Enable the Picture Dictionary to provide image examples for certain words. When a word is clicked, there will be images below for further explanation. The last option in Reading Preferences is Translate. First, choose your language and decide whether you'd like to translate by word or by document. When you translate by word, click the word you'd like the translation for and view it right below the English spelling. To translate by document, go back to Reading Preferences, choose Document, and view the translation. Your students can also use the Immersive Reader tool. Once the lesson is assigned, they can log in, click Start Lesson, click Start, and look for the Immersive Reader tool at the bottom to use all the features outlined in this video. That's it for this video on how to use the Immersive Reader. I hope it was helpful. Please let us know if you have any questions. Happy teaching!
Ellii.